Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Thursday, September the 30th. In today's video, I have two plays for you and one to put on stock. Before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 0.26% at 34,390 yesterday. The Nasdaq, however, begs to differ. They closed down 0.24% at 14,512, further away from 15K. Apple closed up 0.65% at $142.83. Apple. One of the big winners yesterday, CEI. They ended up closed up they closed up 6% yesterday at 342 after spiking as high as 485 all in one trading day. And that's their new 52-week high, $4.85. CEI, we've been watching this one since 40 cents. The volume yesterday, a whopping, an eye-popping, an epic 937 million shares exchanged hands yesterday. Let that sink in for a bit. 937 million, okay? Their average volume is 92 million. I don't know where all this volume came in for the last couple of weeks. CEI, this one is the gift that keeps giving, okay? Please put that one on stock today as well. Let's see what happens. Another big winner, PALT, Palt. Palt closed up 60%. They came out with news at 8.39. The stock closed at 8.39. The higher day, 15.20. The stock opened up at 5.35 and never looked back. That's a new 52-week high, 15.20. PALT. The volume yesterday was 133 million. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 688K. PALT. Please sit tight for Dave's Play.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get 4 free stocks whenever you sign up. Minimum deposit required, $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only the way to go.
Please hammer like. Please subscribe to the channel. Around here we find supernova movers early. Dave's Play is the place to be. Let's continue. Dave's Play today is RGC. This one is a SP play, in and out. The stock is up 52% thus far at $35.11. After closing up 34% yesterday at $23 even. The higher day thus far in the pre, $42.77. If this one retracts below $24.69, this might be a no-go. There's no news out. We're just riding price action. This one is spikeable. RGC, for example, on or about August the 25th, the stock went from $13 to $59. $13 to $59 all in one trading day. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 285 million. They have a tiny float of 2 million. 80% of the float are held by insiders. I will repeat that. 80% of the float are held by insiders. 0.05% are held by institutions, and shorts has 2% of the float. They have 306K in total cash. Total debt, 3 million. They have to work on their debt load. Their current ratio is a lousy 0.09. RGC. Please put on stock today. GROM. GROM. GROM is up 16% at 398. After closing up 95% yesterday at 342. I tweeted this one out. Please put on stock. GROM. This one has spikeability. Let me back up real quick to RGC. RGC is based out of China. Dave's bonus play today is FAMI, F-A-M-I. This is a SP play. They're also headquarters out of China. You know the Chinese reputation. They have a propensity to spike. FAMI. They're up 25% thus far at 42 cents. After closing up 41% yesterday at 34 cents. That's the closing price yesterday, 34 cents. If this one retracts below 35 cents, this might be a no-go for FAMI. There's news out. Go check out the news on FAMI. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 64 million. They have 24 million in the float. 4% of the float are held by insiders. 7% of the float are held by institution and shorts as 2% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 7%. Their operating margin also a positive 7%. Their ROA is a positive 4%. Let me say that again. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 4%. Their ROE is a positive 7%. Return on equity, 7%. Let's move on. Their revenue is 34 million. Their revenue per share is 1.74. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 31% year over year. Their gross profit is 5 million. Their EBITDA is 2.49 million. 2.49 million. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Their net income is 2.24 million. This is FAMI. Total cash, 17 mil. Total debt, 8 mil. Their current ratio, 5.90. Their operating cash flow is a positive 2.42. A lot of numbers to digest. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter at The Petite. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Always take some profits because now you see them, now you don't. I'll see you when I see you. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. PALT, the stock closed up 35% on Friday. Currently sitting at $4 and a penny. PALT. The stock opened up at $2.97, spiked as high as $4.15. That's a brand new. It's close to the 52-week high. Their 52-week high was $4.37. Watch for that to get impaled as early as tomorrow. PALT. There's no news out. This one is in the software space. PALT. Let's get the tires. First of all, a plethora of volume came into the stock on Friday. The volume on Friday was 4.7 million.
Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. Watch for that to get impaled as early as tomorrow. Port. There's no news out. This one is in the software space. Port. Let's get the tires. First of all, a plethora of volume came into the stock on Friday. The volume on Friday was 4.7 million. 4.7 million, compare and contrast to a measly 100K average. 100K average volume. Pay attention. CEI. I tweeted this one out at 80 cents on Twitter. Okay? CCI is up 11% in the pre at $1.44. After spiking 31% yesterday. They closed at 130 yesterday. Okay? Also, please put in stock